Hello everyone, this is English lesson for grade 9. Welcome to my class. Today our topic is called Time Spent Well. We are going to talk about the activities that we do in our free time. Also in this lesson we are going to learn some idioms. You will learn what idiom is and you will learn lots of new idioms. Let's begin. Good luck. There are some activities that people do in their free time. Sometimes we do the activities just to kill the time. This is called the waste of time. We shouldn't waste time because time is precious. Time is very valuable. We should use it wisely. So I want to ask you one question. Discuss this question. Let's talk about this question. Which of the following activities takes your time most? Why? So, what do you mostly do? Choose from the list. Do you often study at school? Joining sport clubs? Doing homework? Chatting with friends? Or watching TV? Playing games? Or using social networking? Which one do you mostly do? I know that your answer will be using social networking. At least majority of you do this. Using social network means using Facebook a lot, using Instagram a lot, spending time there. As you can agree with me, this is a waste of time. We are killing our time there. Instead, we could do much more useful things like reading books, learning new hobbies, new things, traveling maybe, solving some math problems, etc. There is one passage in your book, and I took just a small part of it. In this passage, what we need to do, we need to read the passage and find the best title for the passage. First of all, we are going to read the passage together. The most significant resource in life is time. Education is an investment of time. A year consists of about 6,000 working hours. By the age of 7 or 8, children in America, on average, spend about 1,000 of them at school. As common sense would suggest, learning takes time. What exactly do we mean when we talk about school hours, or a school day, or a school week, or a school year? So, dear students, we read this passage. Firstly, it gave us new information. Secondly, we must find the best title for this passage. Let's see. Can it be about summer? Summer, time to learn or time to forget? I think no. This has nothing to do with this title. Second, after school. What should happen after school? We did not read anything about after school activities. School hours. Is there enough time to learn? And time management. Spending school time well. So the answer is C. Why? Because we can find lots of keywords that prove our answers. So this is about education, spent at school. It's about working hours. Okay, we have some keywords, 7 or 8, spent about, so 1,000 is also about hour. Okay. Learning takes time. What exactly do we do when we talk about school hours? So this passage is mainly about school hours. Okay, you see, school hours, they are matching. So this way we can identify the best title for the passages. This is one part of it. You should do the rest in your homes, in your books. Okay, please complete this task. And let's continue. In this lesson, you have a new topic which is called idioms. Let's see what idiom is. An idiom is a word or phrase which means something different from its literal meaning. So idioms can be different words, but they will give you a different meaning. Okay, some groups of words come together, are combined together, but they give different meanings. Then it is called idiom. There are lots of idioms in English, and some of them are about time. Okay, we have lots of idioms about time, and we will learn them today. Idioms related to time. One idiom is run out of time. Also, the picture shows it. Running out of time means that to have no more time to do or complete something. For example, we have run out of time. Let's end the meeting. It means that we don't have enough time. Our time is over. Next idiom is killing time. making the time pass quickly. If you are bored, you can play some games to kill the time. It helps you to pass the time quickly. An example, the girls meet over the weekend to kill time. It's just to do nothing, to waste time. Next one is time off. It means time to relax. Example, you get tired a lot, take some rest. Only time will tell. This is also an idiom. Why do we call it idiom? Because you know guys, time cannot speak. We can see time will tell, but literally it means that time will show us. So you need to wait before you can find out. It's like time will show. Time will not speak. It's an idiom. We shouldn't understand it literally. For example, only time will tell if his ideas are the right ones. It means that time will show us if he was right or wrong. The next expression, the next idiom is time for a change. Sometimes people need time for a change. It means that time to change, time to have something different in your life. The right moment to do something completely different. You are doing the same thing over and over, and then you are bored and you say, it's time for a change. So I want to do something else. For example, it's time for a change. I wrote a basic sentence here. So it is when you decide to do something different. There is another interesting idiom. It is like in the nick of time. In the nick of time means just in time, at the right moment. Look at this example and it will be clear to you. The doctor arrived in the nick of time. The patient's life was saved. So it means that the patient was about to die and the doctor came just in time, in the nick of time. In your books, there is one exercise. We need to match the idioms with their definitions. After listening to my explanation, this must be easy for you to identify the definitions of the idioms. Let's do it together. Ran out of time. What can be the answer? So, ran out of time means to have no time. So, we will write C here. Ran out of time, to have no more time to do or complete something. Another one, time and time again. Time and time again means over and over again repeatedly. So A will be here. Okay, you can say, you are doing this time and time again. So many times, repeatedly. Killing time. Remember, I just explained to you. Killing time means making the time pass quickly. Okay, if you are making the time pass quickly, if you are wasting the time, you are killing the time. Number 4 is time off. Time off means time to relax. Remember, I just explained to you. So here, time to relax. We will write it here. And only time will tell. We said, we just talked about it. You need to wait before you can find out. So G will come here. Time for a change. The right moment to do something. It's time for a change. And the last one, in the nick of time, means, let's find from the list. The answer is E. Just the right moment, any later it would be too late. This is the end. I want you to learn these words, the new idioms and definitions. You can also make some sentences with them. This way you will understand them much better. Today we have learned some activities to do in our free time. Also remember, you must do useful activities. You shouldn't kill the time, you shouldn't waste time, you should do something that is useful for you. And this is the end of our lesson for today. Finally, before I say bye to you, I want to talk about some things that we can do to keep safe from the coronavirus. How should I protect against COVID-19? First, clean your hands often. Cough or sneeze in your bent elbow, not your hands. It means that we shouldn't cough in our hands. We should bend our elbow and cough like this. This way we will keep our hands clean. Next, avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Limit social gatherings and time spent in the crowded places. Avoid close contact with someone who is sick. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.